Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is joy. Have joy in your heart. Joy propels you to positive energy. Therefore, positive beings, positive instances, positive blessings rush into your life. You're in a place where you're about to take another trip around the world, and I need you to be full of positivity. Let go of the negative and fill those spaces with joy, gratitude, love, and light. The smallest source of joy can be make a huge difference and propel you into the greatest feeling of positive energy, the greatest source of positive energy. Be able to walk, talk, to be able to breathe, laugh at a clumsy dog, a clumsy baby, being able to write your name. These are small superpowers in the world that we take for granted, that we show joy to and we can smile about, will send us and skyrocket us into a positive energy. Therefore, like a child, I discovered the simplicity of life. Life is very simple. What makes it difficult is our wants. Sometimes we want, and we can get what we want, but it's difficult. Your needs are very, very simple. So let's have joy that you can eat, sleep, you're in a warm place, good food, you can breathe, you're alive. These simple joys, what we can consistently be happy about, to be happy in our present moment every single day. Therefore, we are living life, enjoying life, not surviving life. And then we're inviting positive instances and breakthroughs that are going to come and change our life. Happiness lies in the magical moments, not in the material. The greatest moments are in the places and things that you cannot buy, but what you experience. Even the smallest source of joy is a great source of light. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.